So here is the Oasis 1100 hydration pack from Teton Sports. It boasts 5 colors on Amazon and 2 prices, which for green, black, and orange, you can get it for $26.21, and for bright green and bright blue, you can get $36.99 in US dollars. So it's pretty cheap pack, and it's pretty good, like I said. It can fit 1,100 cubic inches of materials, and also it is 18 liters in it's 18 liters. It could fit 18 liters of equipment. So here is the pack, and here is some cording on the pack. As you can see, you can put carabiners on here, so that's pretty nice. Another thing is there's a loop on the bottom here, I'll show you, and that you can put on another carabiner if you want. Now this pack is made, its shell is made out of ripstop honeycomb material, so it will stop rips if you got one. Now, as I open up the first compartment here, you can see it's a pretty small compartment, but I fit my first aid kit in there, which is helpful if I get injured on the trail. Just has some basic first aid needs in there. And also, it also fits my headlamp, so if I am night hiking or if I am stuck on the trail maybe overnight, this is also helpful. Another thing that I have in here is epinephrine for my allergy. Also, I have my pocket knife, which is attached to a little hook they have in it, which is kind of nice. So definitely bring a pocket knife on the trail, or you can fit something else. One more thing I have is Allen wrenches. This is in case I need to repair my bike or anything. It's kind of helpful, or if I need to repair anything on the trail. So there's 2 pockets in this compartment, 2 mesh pockets that you can fit a lot of materials in. Like, that's where I put my EpiPen and my Allen wrenches. So here is the compression straps. There's 3 compression straps on this pack, and a nice compartment where you can fit clothes, maybe a jacket, and it's really nice to have for that. I open up this middle compartment, and this is where I keep my bike lock if I'm on a bike trip, or a bandana which can protect my head or neck, which kind of is helpful also. As we go into the main compartment, this is the biggest compartment and is very nice and roomy. And this is where I put beef jerky, any type of snacks, or even meals that I may have. And also I have my birding guide in there, which is always helpful on the trail, and any toiletries like deodorant I need. And another snack, obviously, snacks are most important. And you can see it's pretty roomy, and that stuff isn't even taking much room. I could fit so much more in there, and I really haven't tried it yet for my full capacity. I'm gonna have to try that out this fall. Now, as I open this last compartment, this is the hydration compartment, and this is where the hydration bladder fits. It comes with a 2-liter hydration bladder, which I'll show you right in a bit, but it comes with these Velcro straps. So here's the hydration bladder. Now you can upgrade to a 3-liter bladder, just buy another one, and I think it would fit in here. It's a pretty large pocket. Now, as we go to the back of this, we got the straps, and they are padded pretty and also we got the back of the bag, which is padded very well too. Here is actually a nice part for the chest strap. Actually has a whistle on it, so if you need to be rescued, that kind of helps. And finally, the waist belt. This is the one thing I really don't like. It's not the most comfortable thing to wear, and it's really not necessary for hiking. Maybe for biking, but not really hiking. So as I turn this around, one thing I want you to notice is one of my favorite parts of the pack is the rain cover. So if it rains, this will protect all your equipment. It's really nice. The bag itself isn't waterproof, but if you put this rain cover on, you'll be fine. Such a great little Easter egg on this pack. Now, another thing on the bottom is there is some ventilation for that hydration pack. So if you have any condensation, that will help with the bladder. On both sides, we have 2 areas where you can fit a water bottle or maybe some mosquito sprays, all mesh pockets there. So that's pretty nice to have too. Now, as I put this back up, like I said, this is a great pack and I love it a lot. And like I said, I haven't used it. I just got it this at the beginning of the August, but I haven't used it to its full potential. But I have been going, every hike I've been on, I've been using it, and it's been very helpful. I've been on at least 10 hikes since I got this pack, so it's pretty nice to have. And here is the hydration bladder itself. You can see it is one of those that you bite down and have to suck up all that water. So it's pretty helpful. And the one thing I don't like about the hydration bladder is it is hard to get water out of it because the hole is so small. And as you can see, it just fits into the pocket right here, and you just put it in with the straps, and then there is a little opening in the back where you can put it down onto those straps, the shoulder straps. So it's pretty helpful for that. As you can see, I just put it right here, and there's some straps down there too that are very helpful. So all in all, this is a great pack, and I hope you guys get it. It's a really nice pack. There's only, like I said, a couple of cons right now that I've had. Like I said, the belt strap is not the most helpful, or the waist strap, but it does work, and I like it a lot. So this is a great pack, and it's really good for beginners. So if you like hydration packs, this is the way to go for beginners. If you want a hydration pack, I think this would be the best thing to get for a beginner. And like I said, it's only $26.21 and $36.99 depending on the color, and it is great, like I said, for day packing, mountain biking, hiking and all that. So it's a great pack, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed this, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe. And also comment below on any reviews you want me to do, or also any videos you want to see, or if you have any suggestions on where I should hike around. So thank you again for watching, and have a wonderful day.